I just prioritized everything. Hey guys, have my router for my place now. I have the Asus OnHub router, wireless router, designed with Google. And this router is over a year old now. In fact, they have a newer one. It's the Google Wi-Fi, which was designed by Google and produced by Google and sold as a Google product by themselves. Why did I go with this product instead of Google Wi-Fi? Well, basically, Google Wi-Fi was designed to be a mesh system. So you buy 3 pucks typically, and you spread those 3 pucks throughout the house. You can also buy them in 1 puck setups as well, but each puck is designed for about 1,500 square feet or so. This OnHub is designed for over 2,000 square feet, so I was hoping one OnHub would be enough and I wouldn't need any more. That being said, Google updated the software for this OnHub so it can work in a mesh network as well. If I want to, I can buy additional OnHubs, or I can buy those Wi-Fi points and I can hook them all up as a Wi-Fi mesh network. So the other reason why I got this was not only was it designed for a larger space than the Google Wi-Fi, but basically I like the way that it looks. As you can see in the pictures here, sleek. It looks like something that you'd want to hold, look at, place for other people to see. The other thing too is that they're simple to set up, and so I downloaded the app, and the app basically took care of everything for me. Very intuitive to work with this app and make all the changes that I want to make if I want to make any changes. Which I don't anticipate making many, but it's really easy to make if I do want to make those changes. So it feels like you're actually working with your router as opposed to having it sit there and hoping everything works right. If there's one cool thing with the app, it's that you can see how many devices are hooked up to your network at any point in time. And it was really easy to set up a guest network as well. Basically, right after I set it up, I was flipping through the app. I'm like, oh, cool, there's this many devices on my network right now. And oh, look at if I click on this button, I can set up a guest network and I can see that password at any point in time for my guest network. So I can easily give anyone my guest network password instead of needing it on a piece of paper on the fridge or on a piece of paper that I need to go run for and find for people every single time they want to know what my network is. So I have my main network, which is for my stuff, and then I have a guest network for everyone else's stuff. And it also makes it easy for me to allow access to any devices on my network to my guests if I want to. So like I said, very intuitive, and I like that for myself and for my guests. Last, and probably most importantly, I want my products to be easy, is that it updates itself. So after I download the app and get it on my network, it downloads all the updates right away. And anytime there's other updates for my device, it will update it by itself without me needing to think about it. That's actually the problem with a lot of other routers out there. In fact, there have been a couple big news stories recently regarding routers that are getting hacked because they didn't have the most up-to-date software. When I first started this video, I intended it on being like a Google OnHub versus all the other mesh network options. And as I was going through it, I kind of just realized, oh, the reason I chose the OnHub is because I wanted to choose the Google product over the other products. I have a chart right here, and I grabbed this from the Luma website. And as you can see, all the products do the exact same thing. And so why did I want the Google one? As I'm looking back on it, and as I'm reviewing some of the stuff that I've said before this point, I wanted it because I kind of trusted that Google would probably make a product that would that I would interact with very easily, and I'd kind of get joy out of interacting with, and it'd be easy to work with. And I was proven right. I enjoy the app. I mentioned some of the things I did right away, and I don't know if these other products would do that. They have almost all the same things, and in some cases they probably have more. But am I going to use them? I don't know. With Google OnHub and the Wi-Fi app, I feel like I'm using a lot of it, and I'm ready to probably use more of it as I go through. And choose any of these four if you want a mesh network. If you want more of established mesh network, though, you're definitely going to want either the Orbi or the Wi-Fi / OnHub. So choose any of the four that you want. Choose the one that looks the best. Choose the one that has the one feature you want. Choose the one that's the cheapest. Choose the one that's the most expensive. Choose the one that is advertised to be the fastest. I don't think it'll go wrong with any of the products. I think they're all pretty nice, and I'm happy with my purchase. And if you choose one of these and you have a decent sized place, I'm sure you'll be pleasantly surprised. Lacking a little light, so we got a little graininess in the video, but I just prioritized everything, and it's going faster. Especially the number of likes and the number of subscribers on my channel. We're up to 1 like, and we're still working on our first subscriber. We're gonna get there. You could be him and or her.